Fleet management or fleet management companies are highly connected. And today they're highly connected through an aftermarket device. It could be an OBD that you put in the car or a black box. Those two are challenging. It's not the core business. The OBD is a lot of fraud. It's limited in data. The aftermarket device, it's costly. There's downtime. There's dependency on a third-party hardware supplier. And today, with connected cars available around, the fleets don't need anymore to invest so much in OBD or aftermarket devices. They can focus on their fleet or fleet management business and benefit from really, without doing anything, from the OEM embedded modem that is already in the car. It enables them to focus on their business. It reduces their costs. It changes the cost structure from CapEx to OpEx, really a SaaS model, and the data, it's much, much richer. It also enables them to benefit from other functionalities that many times are not available with aftermarket devices. For example, sending control commands to the vehicle. Lock, unlock, open the fuel, open the back. More and more OEMs are adding those next to the data. And once you connect to the OEM data, you can benefit also from the control commands next to it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.